So you are welcome to this analysis of the week. This is your number one coach, Ferhaj. My name is Feruke Abdurazak and my brand name is ferhajdynamic Enterprise. Like I told you in the last video, we shall be starting the live charts analysis. If you're a beginner and you have studied support and resistance in the previous video, and you have learned about candlestick, like I explained, that we are going to be using it as a first time beginners. You must analyze your stock before you buy it. And today we are going to look at stocks that sold last week. Those stocks that were in red last week, we want to analyze them. How are we going to see our buying opportunity? What area of support or resistance the shares are, so that we know what we want to do against when it is Monday morning. What do you want to look at? And the first chart we are going to look at is Lotus Halal. Lotus Halal, yes, this is on Nigerian Stock Exchange. You can see the name here, Lotus Halal. That is the name. The shares closed at negative of 245 naira. And you see now this chart is 295 naira. It fell. How do you want to know it fell? Look at this place. Look at where the price ended last week. You know, we have 5 days in a week and the market open and run for 5 good days. And the chart you are looking at, I made mention of time frame. Our time frame, this is daily time frame. That is, each candle represents 1 day. Can you see now? Each candle you are looking at represents 1 day, which means if you count this candle from the last candle here, which is red, the next one is green. So you count 5 candle back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means from this candle, that was the trading of last week. That means for 5 days, you can see this shares sold. It sold since Monday till Friday. You can see. So if you are in this trade, maybe you bought it, look at it from here. The trade has been fantastically very okay. You can see if you have bought it in the last 2 weeks. And let us look at that last 2 weeks. You can see the way it rally up. See those green candles. Those are the green candle that indicates that the price has been buying. We've explained candlestick. These are candlestick. You can see those green candle. That is the shares have been buying the last 2 weeks, which means those who hold that shares have made profit. Now let us look at the level where the price started buying before it keeps selling back. So look at this level. The price has been once in 98 naira. Can you see now? Let me click on it. Yes, the price started buying around 3001. Look at the bottom, 3001. Since 30 January, the price has been buying right from 111 up till, let us see the last candle. Yes, the last candle. The price sold to 316 naira, from 111 naira to 116 naira, to 316 naira, and from 616 naira, the price now came down again. Can you see now? So if you are in this candle, look at it. The price has made higher high and now higher low. Can you see now? This is the interpretation. The price is now sitting at support presently. It's sitting at a support level of an amount of 245 naira. So in order not to waste much of our time, what are we looking to do by next week? As an expert, you should see that this price has rallied high and now it has fallen. That is a short time selling. Don't say because it has said we are looking for buying opportunity. In short, you want to buy this market. You should be looking to buy. Like I've explained in the candlestick, what you are expecting in this level is to see a green candle. And see now, because the price is expected to come down like this, which this is higher high. This one is higher low. Like I explained. Can you see now? So the next thing is to see the candle going up. So can you see now? That means when the price move, the price is expecting to move from 245 and spring up, provided you see a green candle signal on Monday. If the candle show a green signal on Monday, you should buy it on Tuesday. That means it's going to end up. So you have to be a conservative. You have to allow to see the signal. When you see the signal on Monday that the price move from 245 to maybe 250 or 246, it means that buyer are ready to push the price up, then you can easily buy it by Tuesday. You can easily buy it. Can you see now? So that is what we are looking to do. If you have interest in buying this share, we are looking to buy, provided you see a green candle around this level. Let me clear it so that you can see. So this is support. The price, that is why I tell you the price is at support level. So for you to know that, let us plot it. The price bounced back from this resistance, 316 naira. The price is now sitting at 245 naira. Can you see now? So we are trading from this level, and this level. That means if you are buying now, the price is likely going back. The price has been buying in the past, don't forget, and now it's relaxing. So people that hold this share up to this level, they have made profit, they have cash out. Because most of them have sold their share, that is why the price have to fall. And that is resistance level. I told you, resistance, that is R, and this level is S. Don't forget the price is uptrend because we are trading what? TLS. Can you see now? So trend is up and level is now at support. The price has bounced back from resistance and price is now at support. So the next thing is to see signal, which is going to give us green candle. And don't forget this green candle we are talking about. You can see hammer, you can see spinning tops, you can see engulfing candle, which is bullish engulfing candle. Can you see now? So that is that about that. So let's check. Don't forget, I told you we are going to be using investing.com to analyze our chart, and presently we are using investing.com app to analyze this chart. And the next shares we are going to analyze is called SOVRE. SOVRE. So look at the name here. SOVRE Trust Insurance. It's an insurance company in Nigeria and is located in Lagos. Now look at it. This is the share we are buying. This is the share we are analyzing rather. So look at it. This share throughout last week, the share has been buying, and look at where the price started buying from this resistance. This is another resistance. Can you see now? This is support. Those areas are where the price reacted. Look at it. Can you see now? So all these lines that are up, they are resistance. That is where the green candle turned to red and been and coming down. That is why they are resistance. And see this support. That is where the price bounced back going up. And look at this level here. You can see when the price bounced here, the price came down and broke this level, and price maintained going down again. Can you see now? So that is why you have to analyze market. Let's assume you buy this chart, you buy this shares here. That is why you have to, because people will say, oh, it's you have to buy it. Can you see now? When you buy that share around that level, and the price continue to come down, you will be in loss without analyzing your stock before you buy anything. Can you see now? So let us look at since when the price has been selling. The price started selling from here, this level. It started selling since December. The price has been selling since December 2025. Can you see? Right from the price closed at 4 naira 19 kobo then, which means this stock has been buying before, and it opened at 4 naira 11 kobo, and it closed at 4 naira 19 kobo. And since December, the price has been selling fantastically. So if you are the one that bought this share, you are already in loss. So at times you have to cut your loss if you don't analyze stock. You see now. So what are we looking at? Because this share has been selling, hadn't been, this is a level, this level has broken already again. So nobody knows where this price is selling to. Can you see now? It broke that support level again. And see, that is a major support level because price has been buying there. You can see when price came down, look at it, price came down like this and go up. That means this is a level, that is a support. And don't forget, when the price came down here at around 3 naira something, you can see it broke it, and that is why price is heading. So in a nutshell, this price is expected to sell further by Monday. But possibly, if you see a green candle at any level, that means the price can go back to like 3 naira from 2 naira 32 kobo. So the price is expected to, move up a little bit before selling down. And see now, it shows this shares is currently weak. So you should run away from it. You should avoid investing in it. Except don't say because the price is cheap. Know why the price is cheap. Go and read more about the company. Are they facing any problem? That means the company is not performing very well. That is why it's not every time you invest in a share without knowing what is happening in the chart. Can you see now? So, but by next week, if there is any green candle, this is 2 naira 32 kobo. If there is any improvement next week, that means there is tendency the price move to like 2 naira 50 kobo or 3 naira based on this level we have drawn on ground. So always do your own research. So we are expecting to see a green candle so that we can buy this share. But presently, it is selling. We have to distance ourselves from it. Just put it on your watch list so that when you see a green candle, that is a turnaround. It might be a short time buying pressure, but currently this share is in down trend. Share is selling, and that is that about this. Let us check another shares. The next share we are going to analyze is Ellahlakes. I think this is an agricultural sector, if I'm not mistaken. Ellahlakes. This is the name. Pronounce it the way it's supposed to be. And if you can see, Ellahlake has been said throughout last week, this share sold all through. So that we are buying because a share is cheap, we must know why it is cheap. Look at the last candle here. Look at this last candle. Very big candle to deal with. This is a bearish candle. See, the candle is very big. And look at the last candle, that is shooting star, which indicate that the price is going to sell further. And if you count the candle five days back, one, two, three, four, five. So if you want to know since when this candle has been, even though it shows strength here, some weeks back, it shows strength by buying for like 2 days before it later fell. This candle, this share started having problem around this level when we are at this resistance. Can you see now? That is where the price have started having problem. And see, this is support level. You can see when the price broke this support level for further sell pressure, it tried to strength back, and that resistance, that means the price level prevented it, and that is why the price is presently coming down. Can you see now? You must know what price is doing. So when you open a chart, you must mark levels. Those are the price reaction. That is where price are showing reaction, where buyer and seller are doing what. Initially, the price was going up from here. You can see higher low, higher high. I see now. Instead of price to be higher low like this and go up, the reverse is the case. The price make a new lower here, which make it to be lower high, and that is where you're supposed to run for it. So what we are saying is that in the past, if you are holding Ellahlakes, you're supposed to laugh, close your shares around this level. That level is around 18 naira if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's around 18 naira. That is where you're supposed to have closed it, because if you don't close it and the share continue to sell like this, your shares holding will be depreciating. That is the purpose of looking at your chart and monitoring your shares, so that you know if you have made profit before and you see that it has gotten to a level where it's going to start depreciating. Nobody knows when this share is going to start buying again, because presently, as you can see, this is a strong selling pressure. But mind you, the price is at support. By Monday, you can see an improvement. You can see all this level I was support. You can see that candle keep on going up from that level. Can you see? This is a level, and presently the price is there at 12 naira 80 kobo. So let us see the price at which this share started falling. Yes, check this place. The price started having issue since 15th of January when it opens at 17 naira 15 kobo and close at 17 naira. It loses how much? 15 kobo then. But now it has lose more than, I think more than 4 naira plus, if I'm not mistaken. That's like 5 naira plus from 17 naira 15 kobo to 12 naira 80 kobo. It has lose over 5 naira in the last 1 month, if I'm not mistaken. So this is to tell you that this currently this share is selling. So you have to move away from it. Can you see now? Because it's at support presently. So it's at support presently. So but this is a big selling pressure. You should avoid these shares by now. So you can be checking it, because if this price is falling further, where do you think it's falling to? It's going to target this level. That level is going to give us like maybe 11 naira plus, if I'm not mistaken. So let us check it. It's going to give us 11. You can see now 11 naira. That is like 11 naira 5 kobo. So that means the price have tendency of falling to as low as 10 naira 91 kobo in the weeks to come, except if there is a miracle or a sudden improvement in the company share. That is when this price can go up. Presently is selling, so you have to move away from this share. And that is that for this week. Let us check another shares so that, yes, the next share we are going to analyze, or the stock, is called NSLTECH. I think this is an electronic technology company. Let us see what is going on. This is the name per se. Can you see now? So the price sold for 2 days. As you can see, it sold on Thursday and it sold on Friday. Can you see now? But Monday it was fantastic. Tuesday fantastic. Wednesday fantastic. But look at the last 2 days. Last 2 days, which is these two red candle you are seeing, is a big selling pressure. And if you can see that, the price also make a very new high this last week. You can see the price has been moving, has been trending up. Look at it. Very big move. So if you have invested around this level, look at it. That means you will have make huge profit, and that is like around so if you have invested from this level that I just marked, we are going to check the price out. The price have moved very high. You can see before the price, it has been moving very high. So now let us look at those price level. So from here, that is around January 1, the price started moving around 76 kobo. From 76 kobo, it moved to how much? 19. Since till 19, it moved to 2 naira 14 kobo from 76 kobo. And imagine the price moved to, as at yesterday, as at Thursday, if the price moved to this level, the price moved to 2 naira 19 kobo, and you bought it at the rate of 76 kobo. Know how much you have made like that before the price started falling down. So imagine something you buy around this level skyrocket to this level. So as a good investor, you're supposed to have closed this chart, these shares, around on Thursday, when the price sold with engulfing candle. That is an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. Supposed to have closed that trade at that new level that I plotted. That is where you're supposed to leave that trade, because your shares, your profit would start depreciating presently. So where is the price moving to? That is the question. As you can see, this is just 2 days candle. You can see that is a heavy sell signal, which shows something is wrong with the company presently. So we don't know if it's having problem with the government or with Nigeria Stock Exchange per se. But this is the level, this the resistance that was broken initially around this level. And see this, it broke out here. So if the price is coming down back, price will be facing 1 naira 19 kobo. If the price continue to sell further, this is where you should be looking to buy. So this is how some people enter with a buying limit. They emphasize that the price is coming down. That is where they will put their pending order to. Around 1 naira 17 kobo, that is where we should be looking to buy these shares. If peradventure the price move to that level, that is a support level where buyer can have interest to push price back presently. So, but don't invest your money now. It is just a financial advice, because the last 2 days indicated that this is a big selling pressure as against the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday buying pressure. If you look at it, just 3 days and the 2 days have, you raise the profit as at Monday. So if you are trying to buy this share, you can be looking at this level 1 naira 17 kobo. That is where you can likely see a buying opportunity. So let us look at another share that sold last week, which is going to be the last share we are going to treat for this week analysis. The last shares we are going to be treating now is International Energy Insurance Company. That is INTEN. Look at the name so that you can pronounce it the way it is. These shares close at the rate of 3 naira 40 kobo. You can see it now. After the price have ranged for like 3 days, that means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the price ranges. You can see this thing you are seeing is a price range that seems there is no candle around this level. It is range. Look at this, that middle. It is candle activities. That is like a doji, 3 doji. For 3 days, the price does not do anything. And the next thing the price is going to do is that the price fell. Can you see now? But you can see this green candle. For 2 days, the price bought. That means the price bought around Monday. The price shoots in Monday from this support level. This is a support level. This is a support level. All this level are support level. Can you see now? This is a support level. It's a support level. Can you see now? This is another support level. All these areas are support level. So what is this chart doing present? This year, what has it been doing? Yes, very fantastic. He has been buying. Can you see now? The price make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low before breaking this resistance to a new high. Can you see now? And what is it doing now? It's making another higher low. After an higher low, we are expecting a signal for buy. That means this price is sitting at support like this. You can see the price is presently sitting at support. So if by this week the price continue to range here and we see a green candle just like we have been seeing it as those levels, we are likely going to buy. When we see a green candle at this level, and we are going to look at that level to know what price we are targeting to buy our stock against next week. This is financial advice. Always do your own research, but this is how the chart analysis goes. So when you understand how it works properly, you'll be able to analyze by yourself without anybody. You can pick any stock, but these are the 5 tops stock that lose last week. That is, we are analyzing it to see the problem the company is having or to see a potential buying opportunity, so that we don't just buy blindly because the price is cheap. We should know what is happening with the company. So let us measure last 5 days. The price moved to this level. This last green candle here, no, this green candle, second green candle. So the price, yes, as at 16, that is on Monday. If you see the last green candle, that big candle, that is where the market opens on Monday. I told you every candle represents one day because we are dealing with a daily candle. I'm going to show you the time frame, how to choose the time frame there. So the price opened on Monday with what? 3 naira 30 kobo and close at 3 naira 60 kobo. Can you see now? That means there was a gain of 30 kobo. But presently the price that opened around 3 naira 30 kobo on Monday, which moved to 3 naira 60 kobo by Friday, is now close at 3 naira 40 kobo. 3 naira 40 kobo. It loses 20 kobo at the end of the day. So, but presently, we want to look at major support. This is major support on this chart. Can you see now? Major support is around like 2 naira 98 kobo. So if there's going to be a heavy sell, the price is likely going to come down to this level. Can you see now? If price is going to continue this sell pressure, so we should be looking at around 2 naira 90 something kobo. Can you see now? If the price, you want to buy this price as a conservative trader, but possibly if price is not coming down to that level before improving, the price is likely going to bounce back here. Can you see now? That is around 3 naira maybe 30 kobo. Can you see now? Always measure it because this is a level. The price broke out of this range market, and it's now price breakout, and there is tendency price is coming down to retest it before going up, just like I explained the other time. So in this chart, you want to look for buy setup at 2 naira 97 kobo. So let me measure this. So that is like 3 naira, like 3 naira 30 kobo. Yes, under 3 naira 30 kobo to 3 naira 28 kobo. That is the support level we shall be looking at. So when you draw it, it's around this level. So when you see price there around maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that is where we can always pull the trigger, because the price has been moving very fantastic. Let's see from here, from here. From 2212, the price has been moving at the rate of 2 naira 27 kobo, so till 3 naira 60 kobo. So that is where the price has been moving. That is where the price has been moving. So that is where the price has been moving. That is where we are looking at that level. Don't be so, you can plot reaction, reaction, reaction. All these are price level. So if we see a green candle here, just like we have it here, and the price move up, if you see a green candle here by Monday or Tuesday, you can try to buy this share at a low level instead of buying blindly. So this is one of the way to analyze chart. So that is that. If you have any question, and we have come to the end of this week chart analysis on how to buy your shares. If you have any question or you want to ask anything that is not even mentioned in this, let me know in the comment section so that we can shed more light on it. We have a Telegram chat. You can look at the description of this video and join our chat. If you want to start from grass to grace and learn about how to buy share in Nigeria and other foreign shares, you are feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp, via other social handles, so that we can start early. We have our master class that is still running presently. So I'm going to talk to you in the next